Welcome to Guided Calm. I will be guiding you through these affirmations for self-love. Let's start by taking a comfortable position, ideally sitting on the floor or a chair, relaxed but still upright with your back straight. If you prefer, you can lie on a bed or a flat surface with a pillow behind your head. Now turn your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in silently and then let the breath flow out quietly and fully, but without forcing anything. If you wish, you can close your eyes. Allow your breathing to happen naturally. I'm going to read you a series of affirmations. As I read each affirmation, I would like you to repeat it to yourself after me. But there's no need to say it out loud. Just repeat it to yourself silently in your head. As you do so, you can feel the power and positivity of the words in your body and in the space around you. You may find that your mind drifts. If this happens, just gently bring yourself back to listening to the affirmation and then repeating it quietly to yourself. So now I'll begin. I am kind to myself. I am capable and strong. I treat my body with love and care. I make good decisions for myself. I respect my boundaries. I attract good things into my life. I make time to care for myself. I respect my limitations and appreciate my accomplishments. I learn new things every day. I trust in my ability to make it through difficult times. I am grounded, peaceful, and centered. I trust my intuition. I release any need for suffering. I am proud of myself. I attract positive and loving people into my life. I let go of that which no longer serves me. I overcome challenges with grace and ease. I choose to view my life positively. I have great potential within me. I make a difference in the world. I have good friends, and I am a good friend to others. I am healthy, happy, and whole. I enjoy my life. I am thankful to be me. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body and to the space around you. Notice if you can hear any sounds around you. Take a deep breath, and when you are ready, open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed these affirmations for self-love, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow.